Good afternoon, everyone. I am Li Xing Gan, Financial Market Strategist Consultant to Exness, and this is your market outlook for the 28th of November 2024. So for today, we will be covering technical analysis on Bitcoin. Right, so I'm currently on the Exness web terminal, and you can see that this is Bitcoin on a 4 hours time frame. So on Bitcoin, what we saw in the previous move, it's that price rebounded above the 91,000 support, and this level also coincides with the EMA 78 as well as the ascending channel's lower bound. So the ascending channel that you can see, the one highlighted in blue, right? So price tested the upper bound of the channel twice as well as the lower bound, making this a valid channel, right? So if we do see a Bitcoin sustain that bullish momentum to the upside, we could see price rise towards the 100,000 psychological resistance, right? Do note that the 100,000 psychological resistance, it's closely aligned with the latest swing high that we saw before that price retreat, but price has not yet reached 100,000, right? So in fact, it fell slightly shy of the 100,000 before we saw the price retracement. So if we do see a move to the upside, where price could rise to test its all-time high and potentially the 100,000 psychological resistance, that level also aligns with the Fibonacci extension. So the Fibonacci extension that's taken from this zigzag pattern here, right, using the turning points to project the move, right, we can see that the 61.8 extension lines up with the 100,000 psychological resistance. And of course, beyond that, right, if we do see a break and close above the 100,000 resistance, we could see potential for further gains towards the 100% extension level, this area here, using the same zigzag pattern projection, right? So the same one that's highlighted, we can see that the next level could be at 105,000 resistance, right? So these are the two levels for me. And on the flip side, if we do see price extend its decline, right, and closes below the 91,000 support, as well as a bearish breakout of the ascending channel, then there is a chance that price could experience a steeper decline towards the 85,000 support. You can see the 85,000 support would also align with this area of consolidation before we see a move to the upside and price just continuing its rally. So these are the two levels for me, right? The first scenario is that price continues its bullish momentum, holding within this ascending channel as well as a close above both EMAs. We could potentially see a rise towards the 100,000 resistance, and of course if price breaks beyond that, right, then 105,000 would be the next level for me. And the other side is that if we do see that retest of the 91,000 and a close below this, we could see potential for a steeper decline. So that's it for today's market analysis. Thank you for joining me. I'm Li Xing Gan, Financial Market Strategist Consultant to Exness.